Number 16 talks about intonation. So this is a duet. So I'm going to play the A part to start, and then when I repeat, I'll play the B part, and you can play to either one. Why don't you switch? While I'm playing the A part, you play B, and while I'm playing the B part, you play A. And we're supposed to be able to hear whether we're in tune or not, whether our fingers are going down in the right place. It's a great exercise. I hope you like it. Here we go. It's a little on the slow side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now beginning, I'm going to play the B part now, and you play the A. 1, 2, 3, and 4.